State health leaders in Raleigh are preparing to welcome President Joe Biden this Thursday. He's expected to encourage people here in North Carolina to get the COVID vaccine in his push for herd immunity.
He wants to get 70% of the country vaccinated by July 4th, but just how feasible is that goal? 9 on Your Side's Madison Forsey joins us in the studio. And Madison, what do local health leaders think of the president's goal?
Well, Ken, Angie, they tell me they would love to see 70% of people vaccinated for COVID, but they just don't think it's feasible, especially as the demand for vaccines continues to decline.
I don't think the 70% by July 4th is an attainable goal for us.
It's going to take a lot for ENC to 70 and to President Biden's goal of herd immunity.
Where we're at right now, we're not even close. Okay, we're 50% at best.
The mad dash for the shot at the beginning of the year has dwindled just when leaders are trying to amp it up.
When you think about 50% that are vaccinated, that means that out of every 2 people, 1 of them will have that protection. And again, we're just trying to build that barricade.
Around 40% of people in Lenore County have at least 1 COVID shot. Health leaders are hoping to pass the 50% threshold soon.
No, it's not the end goal, but I think it's a great next step for Lenore County residents to have in their mind.
In Craven County, it's a similar story with 40% of adults with at least 1 shot.
It is still smoldering, it's still out there, probably seeing less than 40 first doses per week. Now, of course, we've got some second doses coming in, so we may do over 100 in a day's time.
A longer road to herd immunity means more people are susceptible to new and dangerous variants of the virus, but some health leaders say they don't care what it takes as long as more people get the shot.
If they provide some more of these inducements, which sound a little silly sometimes, giving a free beer if you get vaccinated, or getting a chance to win the lottery. As silly as it sounds, that stuff works.
Earlier, when I talked with Dr. Paul Cook, he said health experts are still unsure of what the herd immunity threshold really is. They believe right now we might actually need 80% of the country to get vaccinated, meaning a longer road and still in the fight against COVID-19. In the studio, Madison Forsey, 9 on Your Side.
Madison, thank you.